How to turn off notifications on Vinted. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can turn off notifications on Vinted. So how do you go about it? If you're making use of your web browser like I am here, to turn off your notifications on Vinted is by turning off the notification directly through the Chrome browser. And how do you do that? After logging in into your Vinted account, move to the top right corner of your browser's page and then click on the three vertical dots that you can see there. Once you've done that, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, scroll down and click on Settings. Settings is located below Help and above Exit. So by clicking on Settings, you will be brought to your settings page. So on this page, in the search box, just type out notifications. Okay. So once you've done that, you'll see a list of options here. Scroll down until you can see the option where you can see the number of results that you have, which is site settings. And then on the site settings page, scroll down and click on notifications. So on notifications page, you can see default behavior. Scroll down until you can see the option customized behaviors. And so yeah, you can now see site listed below, follow a custom setting instead of the default. So the next step would be for you to add the sites that are not allowed to send notifications. So click on add and then just go ahead and type out the name of the site. In this case, it is Vinted. You just include it, vinted.com. All right, and then click on add. And then once you've added it, automatically your notifications for your Vinted account would be turned off automatically, and then you will no longer be able to receive notifications for this particular website. And so just like that, that's been done, and you can now go ahead and continue with whatever that you've been doing. So that is it. This is how you can turn off notifications on Vinted. So thank you for watching and have a good day.